In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase indent in Google Vids. Google Vids, a versatile tool in Google's workspace, is known for its video editing capabilities, allowing users to enhance their video projects with ease. However, not everyone is aware of how to utilize its text formatting features to their full potential. One such feature is the ability to adjust the indentation of text, which can be crucial for creating visually appealing titles or emphasizing certain portions of your video. Let's dive into the process. The first thing you need to do is navigate to Google Vids. You can easily do this by visiting the Google Workspace website and selecting Google Vids among the array of tools offered. Once you're on the Google Vids page, you'll be greeted with the option to sign in to your Google account. Click on the Sign In button and choose the Google account you wish to use. This step is straightforward. Just make sure to select the account associated with the video project you intend to work on. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Google Vids dashboard. Here you can either choose an existing project or start a new one. For the purposes of this tutorial, let's assume you're working on an already existing project. Find your project and open it. Now let's get to the core of today's tutorial, adjusting indentations. To do this, you'll first need to highlight the text you wish to indent. Click and drag your cursor over the text to highlight it. This step is critical as it tells Google Vids which part of your text needs to be formatted. Once your text is highlighted, look for the Format option in the menu bar. This is where Google Vids stores all its text formatting tools, making it a vital step in enhancing your text presentation. Click on Format to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In the drop-down menu, you will see Align and Indent. This option allows you to adjust how your text sits within its container. Clicking on it will reveal further options, including Increase Indent. This specific feature moves your highlighted text further to the right, thereby increasing its indent. It's a simple yet effective way to distinguish sections of your text or to create a visual hierarchy within your video's textual content. Once you click on Increase Indent, you will instantly see your text shift to the right, confirming that your indentation has been increased. It's important to observe how this change impacts the overall appearance of your text on screen. You may need to adjust it a few times to get it looking just right. A couple of additional tips to bear in mind. Always preview your changes in the actual video frame to see how your text interacts with other elements. Do not overuse indentation. While it's a great tool for emphasizing parts of your text, too much indentation can make your content look unbalanced. Remember, the goal of adjusting indentation in your video text is not just about making it look appealing, it's also about ensuring that your viewers can easily follow along with your narrative or understand the emphasis placed on certain textual elements. That's all for this tutorial. By following these steps, you can effectively increase indent in Google Vids, thus enhancing the visual appeal and readability of your video projects. Keep experimenting with Google Vids' various formatting options to find the perfect balance for your text and ensure your videos stand out. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of Google's tools.